was during the Chadaidi that they were singing, and somebody was rushing the chazan to do it quickly. It shouldn't take a lot of time. And there was also people who were from a maternity ward. There was some Chassidim. I think there was one Satmar Chassid and another type of Chassid who were there for a Mazel Tov. They were on the same floor, so they came to the minyan as well. When it came to L'Chadaidi, towards the end, and they started to sing the Yechi, so the Bacher who was davening for Ahmed was either told to, just do it quickly, and they did not dance around the bimah, which at that time in 770 that was the thing that was going on. Everybody would dance around the bimah and sing Yechi. When my shver saw what happened, he was sitting there. It was a very weak state. He didn't say anything except for the fact he said, "Please," he showed or said, "Please pick me up." And he was lifted up, and he started to walk around a little table that was there, like with magazines, like a little coffee table. And the Bachram continued. They realized what was going on, and the Bachram started to sing Yechi, and they sang Yechi. He went around a few times, and even the Satmar and the other Chassid, whoever else was there, joined in. After he finished, he sat down, and he was actually so weak that by Shemona Esrei he did not get up. He was not able to get up. And after finishing davening, we walked back to the room, and being that he overexerted himself during this whole thing, he asked to go to sleep, and went to sleep a little bit. And then a few hours later, he woke up, and we came to the room to make Kiddush. He asked, what were we afraid of? And that the people that were merachik the people, you saw the Satmar Chassid and the other one, they enjoyed. They didn't just stand there, they actually joined in. So he says, sometimes we're afraid of our own things and we stop doing what we need to get done. So in bottom line, it's very important, I think, to mention this, is because many times we look around and we try to figure out what is the right thing to do based on what other people are doing or not doing. And he was an ish emes, pnimi, and what he did is what he knew was right. And there were many areas where he stood up for them. These are just a few examples, personal examples of the story. So hopefully in these nisyonos that we have now, we should be able to stand up to the nisyonos and understand what it means to be a chassid, and what it means to datzos sekent, and to go out of the golus pnimi, and to be zeicher to the Gula Mitzvah Shlema right now, without